What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I am right here on the Christmas candy aisle. Not the main candy aisle, but the Christmas candy aisle. And I'm just finding so many perfect candies that would just be amazing little stocking stuffers. We have the Andes Snap Bars. I've never seen those before. We even have the Andes Snap Bar Peppermint Bark. We have mini candy canes. We have super cute lollipops. We have a lot of flavored large candy canes. Ooh, I'm gonna have to get some of these too. I am already thinking about stocking stuffers. Of course, you guys know, if you've been with me for a long time, you guys already know my kids have super huge stockings. They're about 3 feet long and about 1.5 to 2 feet wide. So I have to find a lot of things to put in their stockings. Holiday mix, cherry, apple, and peppermint. Those sound good. We have cute little crisp Kringles. Chocolatey covered cherry cordial flavored marshmallow reindeer. That's a mouthful. We also have now and later candy canes, apple. We have lemon. We have sweet tart candy canes. We have warhead sour candy canes. We have sixlets. I remember liking these when I was a kid. Sixlets. We get quite a bit in the bag too. I might get some of these. These aren't my kids' favorite or anything, but they kind of make me happy, so I want to get them and put them in my kids' stockings. We have the popping candy. We have the mini carnival pops. Those are super cute. We have the cute little Christmas candies up here. What are these? They are, I don't know. What are they? Is it chocolate? Trees and stars. I think it's like conversation hearts maybe, but Christmas themed. These would be cute stocking stuffers. We also have the little Ghirardellis. Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to find the golden coins. That's tradition at my house, the golden coins. I don't think we have any plain golden coins though. Let's see. These ones aren't really golden coins. It has to be the official golden coins. You guys know the ones. I'm going to be on the lookout for those. Sometimes Family Dollar has those. Ooh, Christmas themed gumballs. Holiday pretzel balls. And this is strawberry white cotton candy. I definitely have to get these though. Okay, you guys want to go over to the makeup with me? Let's go over to makeup. You guys definitely check out my past Dollar Tree videos if you missed them, because I've been showing everything in this location. What are these? Naughty or Nice cookies? Little sugar cookies. Those are so cute. Fudge mint cookies. Lump of coal cookies. Again, perfect little stocking stuffers. I specialize in putting together good stocking stuffers. And to those of you that have been looking for the softy shampoos and conditioners, and even the smaller containers, they are in your stores. Just keep looking. I got a bunch of those for Birdy and she really likes them. But don't give up, keep looking. These are always good stocking stuffers. Let's see what we have. Shiny nail polish. That's always cute around the holidays. I faced all of these when I went live earlier. These would all be good little stocking stuffers. These are all different like skin creams, gel masks, face masks. We have a variety of them. Let's see if we have anything else new. The eye markers. The elf is still here. When I was live earlier, you guys, look what I found. I found the Pond's facial foaming cleanser. And we also have the Pond's Pure Detox facial foam. That's made by the Unilever brand. And then look at this, you guys. These are brand new. The Old Spice Face and Body Energizing Scent Cleanser. It's a cleanser for face and body. 5 ounces. This would be a nice stocking stuffer. These would also be good little stocking stuffers. The charcoal soap and sponge. One of you told me one time that it lasted for about 12 uses. Let's see what else we have. You guys want me to go back to the makeup? I'll take you right back there in just a minute, because I wanted to share these with you guys. The disposable large washcloths by Yardley London. The scent is aloe vera, chamomile, and vitamin E. We also have these, you guys. You guys know Premier Protein goes for a lot more than $1 everywhere else. It's usually close to about $8 for a 4-pack. So it's really nice that these are here. This flavor tastes really good too. Let's see if we have any other cute dental things over here that would be good stocking stuffers. Cute toothbrushes, of course. Hello Kitty, Nickelodeon, Paw Patrol. Lots of toothpaste. We even have the little finger toothbrushes for baby. Whitening strips. We also have vitamins, hair, skin, and nail vitamins. Those would be good little stocking stuffers as well. If you're like me and you're filling up stockings, I like to give a variety of things, like useful gifts, fun gifts, you know, something like to play with, something to eat, something to do later. Little contact lens cases, again, good little stocking stuffers. Just trying to drop lots of ideas for you guys. What do we have down here? Children's pain relief, acetaminophen. This is a dupe for children's Tylenol. This is a great item to stock up on. A great item, even though it's not name brand. We also have a dupe to children's Triaminic nighttime cough medicine, another good thing to put in your mom's stash. And we have children's allergy relief, and this is a dupe for children's Benadryl allergy medicine. In regards to the makeup, we really don't have much new this week, but we still do have good name brands, name brand polishes, name brand makeup, and of course a lot of these eye glow polishes would make amazing stocking stuffers. We have brands like Hard Candy, nail hardeners, and things like that. We have fashion nails, so many cute items, manicure sets. There is definitely a lot of stocking stuffer potential here in Dollar Tree, so you guys don't be afraid to start with Dollar Tree and then work your way out to some of the other stores. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me here in Dollar Tree. I'm deciding whether or not I'm gonna film anymore because it is about 8 o'clock and I have some other errands to do, but I had a lot of fun bringing you guys along and I loved going live with you guys. You guys are so much fun to hang out with and to shop with. These are some of the items we looked at during my live and they've really added a lot. Again, these would be great stocking stuffers. I'm just trying to give you guys as many ideas as possible. So all right, you guys, I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.